Dear students, in this video I'll be explaining the concepts in the Python. It is operator precedence and the string concatenation and replication, how to work with the operator precedence while violating the expressions, and also the string concatenation and replication. Precedence means the priority wherein which you give for the operator to evaluate on the expression. So here these are the number of operators you can give. The precedence, first precedence will be given to the exponent operator, followed by the modulus and the integer division and the division and multiplication and subtraction, and then last precedence will be given to addition. So what is that exponent here is 2 into 3, which means the raised to the power 3. So how many times that it is repeated? So 2 is repeated 3 times of it, so we can say it is evaluated to 8. So this is the first precedence we are giving. So since the one example where I've given to how to evaluate it if the particular operator is given. And then modulus means always the output will be the remainder. So remainder here is, so when it is divided, one number is divided with another number, so 22 is divided by 8, so you will get the output as in both the remainder and the quotient. But here the output, when you work with the modulus, you will be having an reminder as an output when you specify the operator modulus. So 22 when it is divided 8 means you'll get 8 into 2 is 16. So 22 minus 16 is, it is a 6, reminder will be the 6, so that is where the output will be the 6. Now division or the floor division. So what we call it as a floor, that is double slash. So that is what we call it as integer division or the floor division. So this rounds off the exactly the quotient, the output quotient rounds of it, or rounds of the quotient as an output. So for example, same integer when it is divided by another 22 by 8, so we gives the 2. So exactly when it is normally it is divided, the output will be having a quotient as a 2.75. Since integer division it is a floor division, so you need to have the round of value, that is 2. So which means it is taking as only the integer part of the value but not the floating point. So hence we call it as a integer division or the floor division. And the division operator, so normally it is divided 22 by 8, so we get then floor division. Instead of floor division, so we get only the all the exact value how it is, remainder will be 0 and quotient will be the 2.75. Multiplication will be the next precedent, and then subtraction will be the next, followed by the addition. So next, these are the some of the examples evaluating the expression. So that is 2 plus 3 into 6. So as we know, the first precedence is given to the multiplication. So that is multiplication here is 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Now, and one more thing here is a 2 plus 3. So inside that there is a parenthesis. So since, even though if we don't mention in the precedence, the first precedence will be given to the parenthesis always. So that is where a parenthesis here is. It is evaluated first. That is 2 plus 3, 5. 5 into 6 is 30. So, and also the big integer value is also given to check whether it is multiplied. And then exponent is different. Here is 2 into, that is a power raised to 8, so which means 2, how many times, 8 times it is repeated, so we get it as output 256. And 23 by 7, so it is a normal division value, so where we get the exactly the how many number of digits followed by the floating point values. And then floor division is where we can say floor division. So as I told, it is integer division, floor division, rounds of the value. So same value it is getting the round of value as an integer, getting me the 3 as an output. And the modulus operator. So modulus operator, we know it is always the remainder. So what is the remainder of this we will be getting is 2. So that is the remainder. So we get as a 7. 3s are 21, so remainder will be the 2, and then 2 plus 2 is 4. And now, so these are some of the simple expression is it is evaluating, but in the Evaluating the more different, bit much more complex expressions we get it here is how it is evaluated. I'll be explaining here. So this is the same evaluating expressions. We got it evaluating 16 points. How the step by step it is carried out? We can say, as I told it is, first we'll be evaluating the parenthesis and then followed by the number of precedents given to that particular value. So now first since it is we say parenthesis will be getting a parenthesis first which is given for the 5 minus 1 is evaluated even though minus as a last priority, but we will be going for the priority based on the parenthesis. So that is 5 minus 1 4. Now you can see one more, so you can evaluate into 7 plus 1 directly, but it is not possible only since we have to clear all the parenthesis values. So 7 plus 1, so which is evaluated first, 7 plus 1 inside the parenthesis, then followed by the 3 minus 1. So then we will be getting it as a all the clearing with all these parentheses 8 by 2. Why it is, since even though we have multiplication operator, we don't go with the 4 into 8 then followed by the divide by 2. Why? Because division has the more priority compared to the multiplication. So we go for the 8 by 2. So that is a 4, and 4 into 4 is 16.4, 16.0, sorry, 16.0. So how this is how it is evaluating the expression into the single value. So by giving the precedence. So that is where we can say based on the precedence we can evaluate the expressions. Now, so say for example, if you give the wrong instructions or the wrong error is it is happening while entering the expression. So that is these are some of the wrong instruction which is given 5 plus. So no other integer to be evaluated with this operator. So it is a syntax error or the invalid syntax. One more kind of error you can get it here is so 42 plus 5 plus again here same operator or the different operator is repeated twice or the more than one time. So you can say it is this is also the syntax error. These are the some of the wrong instructions where you can give the in the followed with the expressions. So next, so these are the some of the basic common data type or the common data types in all the programming language. So we can say the integer data type, floating point data type, and also the string data type. So we can see the common data type here. We can see that is integer, floating point number, and the strings, which is always followed with the other programming language, and the rest of the which is dealing with the Python. So we'll be explaining the other videos. So that is where the first data type here is an integer data type. For example, what is the main thing in integer data type here is we can see the positive can be the positive, it can be the negative, can be the whole number, but not the floating point number. And then floating point number is vice versa. It can be the negative, it can be the positive floating point number, decimals, but not the integer. And the string here is we can say it is a strings. It is enclosed with a sequence of character. It is a sequence of characters enclosed with the either the double quotes, single quotes, but it has to be the characters. But even though if I mention the love here, you can see the love in cats, since it is also integer but making it as a string inside as a character and making, so that is where a string data type. Now coming to the next concept, that is the string concatenation and replication. So concatenation, what is that concatenation means? Combining, adding up. So here the name itself says string concatenation. So we need to concatenate the two strings. So especially plus will be the addition operator where you can operate on the two integer or the two floating point to get the concatenate the two values. But here string concatenation happens always between the two strings. So that is where, say for example, this is a normal thing where you concatenate two values, but here concatenating between the two strings to get the combined value, combined character, we call it as a concatenation. Alice plus Bob, here it is concatenated with the enclosed with the sequence of characters, double quotes or the single quotes with the plus operator. That is main thing here. Plus operator will be responsible for concatenating, that is Alice, Bob. Now, if I say Alice is a string, and if I do with the concatenating with a different operator, so with a different data type, so if I say the integer data type, then what happens here is it is not possible to convert the particular object or the string to the string, that is from integer to the string implicitly. So you cannot convert that. Into 42 can't be converted as a string with the character. So that is where it is not possible. String concatenation always happens with the two strings. Next, string replication here is, so we can see the concatenation is between the plus operator, but replication is the name itself, say the replica of copy. So the copy of that particular string. So how many number of times it is repeated. So how it is repeated, like how which the particular string it is repeated. So that is where here Alice into, which is a replication, always uses the multiplication operator. So we can see into how many times it has to be repeated or replicated. So that is where Alice into 5. Alice is repeated 5 times. You can see that is 5 times with enclosed with the string. So if I want to convert or if I want to replicate with the two strings, so is that possible? No. So how it is possible? See, concatenation is between only two strings and not between the different data type, but replication is only between the different type, that way especially the integer, but other data type. So here Alice into Bob cannot be replicated. So that is where we can see that is can't multiply the sequence of non-integer. That is, this is a integer type string, and also this is also the 5.0 is also the non-integer string. So that is, we can say it is only between the integer and the strings where you can replicate particular copy of a data. So that is where it is can't multiply the sequence of the integer type floating point. So